If you or your friends are a bit of a poser or love posing, and hey, in this age, who doesn't love doing that? Then you're gonna love this awesome hidden feature on the GoPro Hero 12. It's called interval photo. And interval photo lets you take a succession of photos at an interval set by you, so you and your friends can get ready for your favorite pose in between photos. It's super easy to do, it's heaps of fun. In this video, I'm gonna show you how.
So from the rear screen, you want to scoot across to the photo mode, and then you want to tap on the oblong down the bottom here where it says photograph. So we tap on that one there. Here's all your photo modes. We're going to go into the very top one, which is photo. And if we tap on that weird looking little squiggly icon, it's going to bring you to your photo settings menu. So we're just going to scroll down here from the top, and you see how under where it says capture has an option where it says interval. So if we tap on that one, now this is where you get to choose the interval between your camera taking photographs.
Hey there, I really hope you're getting some good value out of this video. If you could do me a favor right now and hit that like and the subscribe button, I would really appreciate that. Doing so really helps my channel, and it means I can keep making great videos for you. Okay, thanks for listening. Now let's get back to the video.
So for example, you currently have the default setting is off, but you can adjust it to half a second, 2 seconds, and a few other selections is 5 seconds, all the way up to 120 seconds. So this is how often your camera will take a picture. When you've found the interval that you're happy with, so you might bring it back down to, say in my case, 1 second, get out of the menu and tap the mode button, and then press the shutter button on your camera. It will take a photograph, and then after that interval is passed, it will take another photograph, just like that.
Interval photo really is a great feature of the GoPro Hero. You can think of it as like a slowed down version of GoPro's burst option, which is another awesome photo mode. To learn more about GoPros, accessories, mounts, all that kind of jazz, then what you want to do is click on this video over here right now. As usual, thank you for your company today. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate your support. And I will see you in the next video.